types of solutions, and these are aqueous solutions and the non-aqueous solutions. But before we come to these two types of solutions, we must know what is the solute and what is the solvent. So we have a solute and we have a solvent. So whenever we are forming a solution or we are forming a mixture, so the quantity that is less in amount is referred to as the solute, and the quantity which is larger in amount is known as the solvent. So for example, if I am making a solution of salt in water, so salt is in less quantity, that is why salt is the solute, and water in which the solute is being added is referred to as the solvent. Abhyas Online has offered a separate video on solute and solvent in which we have different types of examples. But now we will discuss the two categories, that is aqueous and the non-aqueous solutions. So basically in the aqueous solutions are those solutions in which the solvent is water. That means the solute, it can be either solid or liquid or gas, is mixed in a liquid, or we can say is mixed in a water solvent, that becomes an aqueous solution. But in those solutions in which the solvent is not water, it can be any other type of liquid, suppose for example alcohol, or it can be acetone. So these solutions will become non-aqueous solutions. So for example, if I am mixing salt in water, now I am mixing the solute, that is salt, the solvent is water. So this composition is known as a brine solution. So that is aqueous. Whereas if I am mixing salt in alcohol, so that solvent is alcohol and not water. Hence it will become a non-aqueous solution. Various solvents can be alcohol, acetone, it can be CCl4, which is carbon tetrachloride. All these can be solvents for a non-aqueous solution. But whereas in an aqueous solution the solvent has to be water. I can even mix copper sulfate, or I can mix ammonium chloride, NH4Cl. All these can be solute, but the solvent will always remain as water. So this was the concept on aqueous and non-aqueous solutions. You must refer to the video on solute and solvent as well.